Hey, motion designers, Jack here. So yesterday I posted on LinkedIn and on YouTube this video, and LinkedIn just kind of got really busy and loads of people were interested in a script that I shared on speeding up camera workflows in After Effects. So I wanted to just wake up this morning because I was super inspired and share a few others with you. These ones are a lot more simple, but like hopefully give you a flavor of the kind of things that I'm working on, and I want to share this more widely, but I just need to formalize it and make sure that it's, because I've only been using this stuff for myself. So the three I wanted to share with you today are about creating new projects. And again, you can just take this to ChatGPT and like tweak it yourself, and a simple crosshair. So let me show you. So a new project or a new composition is fine. Like there's nothing wrong with creating and clicking, and it's not that slow, right? But I find that I'm so much more in flow when I can just get my fingers to just execute commands that I do all the time, and then I can get to animating rather than having to think about click here, go into this drop down menu. It sounds pathetic, but like I'm out of my flow when I do that. Whereas if I just say, right, I need a new 4K composition, and I just do NC4, I've got a new composition ready to go, and I say new piece, whatever. And I'm in a 4K comp, or like, let's say I need to do a social now, or a sub comp that's, I don't know, whatever. I just run this each time. So NC 9x16, social, and I'm in that ready, and you can see that it's there. For me, that's a much faster workflow. So I've done that with three different things, and again, you can tweak this and dial this to your settings, like if you use different frame rates or whatever. And the other one is a crosshair as well. So I'm forever wanting to find the vertical center and the horizontal center. Sometimes one, sometimes the other, sometimes both. And it's crazy to me that like there isn't a default crosshair in After Effects, but maybe I've missed it. So you can let me know if not. But anyway, I don't really care. I just want to execute something with like a quick key command, see it, move something, remove the crosshair, or just have it in the background, whatever. So sometimes I want a crosshair there all the time, but just like low opacity. So I created this, which is crosshair, right? So here we get this, which is both a guide layer, so it won't show up in exports, and also has a visual component as well. So you can like turn down the opacity and it won't be seen at all, but you still have it if you click on it, and you can still use it for snapping. But you can also like increase the stroke width or whatever so that you have this kind of crosshair. And I find this really useful for like, say you like create a circle. Sorry, that's a slow workflow that I need to improve. Right, this would be something that you would then be able to snap to the center there or snap to the center there. And this wouldn't have been possible if we didn't have this center guide. So I'm also sharing this with you as well. They will all be at jackvaughan.com/tools. This is my very basic embryonic website and After Effects scripts. You can see the one I shared yesterday. So I'll make sure they're all here. Let me know what it is that you're interested in speeding up in your workflows in After Effects. I'm massively nerdy about this. I'd be up for doing it, and hopefully you can see some of the areas that I'm thinking about in here, that I'm playing around with. Some of these already exist in tools that are out there that you can install for After Effects, but I'm just tired of installing too many UI panels just for so many different separate things. I have so many plugins for After Effects. I'm like one of those suckers who just spends loads of money on it, or did in the beginning anyway when I was learning motion. But actually I've realized that I just don't want my thing cluttered like that. It's too much visual stress. What I'm trying to do now is like create those workflows in very simple scripts that you can execute one time and then you're done. So I would love to know what it is that you're after, and maybe I'll create it. But yeah, this is the first of many shares hopefully, and hope this is useful.